Did you know the average American spends 4.35 hours each week commuting to their jobs? How crazy is that? It's like adding half a day's work on top of your full-time job. And you don't even get paid to do it. Are you ready to put a stop to it? I hated commuting. I'm not sure what was worse, waking up early or facing traffic jams in the afternoons. Fun fact, commuters must get out of bed each morning between 30 and 60 minutes earlier than those who work from home. If you're like me, you'll love getting an extra hour in bed each day. And why wouldn't you? Stress is bad for our health, and scientists have proven that the human body produces much higher amounts of it in the morning. Waking up each day should be a pleasant and peaceful experience. You should be able to enjoy your breakfast and allow your body to wake up naturally before you begin your working day. Instead, you rush, panic, and stress, all so you can get out the door quickly enough to go and sit in a traffic jam for 30 to 45 minutes. So what's the solution? You've probably heard about people working from home, but you've never considered it for yourself. Why not? Maybe it's because you don't know where to start. Or maybe it's because you believe it is too difficult to do. I'm telling you now that both of those responses are valid. I get responses like yours all the time. Anyone can make good money working remotely. All you need to do is find someone that will show you how to do it properly. Fortunately, there is a way with YouTube. And no, you don't have to show your face, record videos, or step in front of a camera. I'm putting on a free webinar where you're going to learn the one thing you must do to be successful with this method of YouTube. Without it, you fail. If you want real freedom, if you want lifestyle freedom, if you want to fire your boss and never have to work for someone else again, if you dream of ditching that morning drive and giving yourself a stress-free life, take the first step today. Register now, attend the webinar, and learn how to build a successful business from scratch, but do it fast. This training will not be around for long. Click the training link in the description.